Good morning, everyone. It is Friday. I've just done a 400-mile round trip to maybe 450 to Newcastle to pick up my donor Sv650. If anyone knows about me, what I've done is my 99 plate Sv650s had been stolen from my house. Couldn't get it started because there was no battery on it at all or anything like that. Must have been slightly amateurs. They decided to take it down to the beach and throw it off a 20-foot wall into, well, basically onto the beach. That was January. It's now May. Just received it back. I'll post a few videos of it coming back to me. The whole bike was absolutely smashed up. They smashed the tank. They basically anything they could smash, they did smash, which was nice of them. So yeah, you'll have to excuse me because I've been up since 5 this morning. Really, well, I'd say excited to get working on the bikes. So yeah, I've got a 99 2000 Sv650. Now, as I picked up the donor bike, as I say, from Newcastle yesterday. Nice 9-hour round trip. It is a 2002 Sv650s. It's in good condition, you know, for the price I paid for it. It's a very good condition. There's a few aftermarket modifications to it. It's got the traditional standard 2-finger Chinese brake and clutch lever. It's got LED front and rear indicators, a Scott oiler, double bubble screen, which my previous Sv650s didn't have. And what else has it got with it? There's a few other little bits and pieces that. Oh, it's got a Remus Revolution race can for it, box of spares, parts, bits and pieces. But yeah, it's got an issue with not starting. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and use, I'll flip this over. There's my old Sv650, my 99 plate. So what I'm going to do, excuse me, is strip any parts that I need. Yep, I went for the Chinese. What I'm going to try and do is strip all the parts that I need from off this onto the new Sv650. There's a few parts on order. I've got new mirrors. So that's going to be good. Where she is. This one's done 40,000 mile, where mine had only done 10,000. So I'm going to put all the good parts from my Sv650. Hopefully they're good, like heated grips, etc. Batteries on charge, so you have to excuse that. Yep. There's the you'll have to excuse the mess. The garden, sorry, lockdown has stopped me taking stuff to the tip. I've just renovated my house, so there is a little bit of a mess in the garden. So yeah, let's ideally I want to try and get it done within about, I'd love to get it done in 10 days. I'd love to get it started today and get to the bottom of it. I've got my kids this weekend, so let's let the fun begin. Yeah, and hopefully we'll get two bad bikes into one good bike. As I say, I've got a few parts on order. I've going to convert I've got a top yoke on order from a Sv650n from a 2002, ready to go on. That's going to be fab. It's going to be a better riding position with the heated grips, because I'm planning on taking this touring. We can take it touring, I'll be happy. These. Oh yes, one thing. Apparently, it has a GSXR. I don't know whether he said 600. With a shock absorber, which is meant to make it handle really well. So yeah, unfortunately, let's crack on, take things apart, and I'll do my best to keep you all informed. Thanks for watching.